Hey guys, Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com. I have a really cool review that I want to share today because when I first heard about the SLIMFAST Keto line, I didn't really know what to think because SLIMFAST is associated with these little shakes. I actually bought like everything that I could find. SLIMFAST Keto has meal bars. This one is whipped triple chocolate, whipped peanut butter chocolate. These have 3 net carbs each. I can tell you that I tried both of these flavors and I wouldn't buy them again. The texture is a little odd. It looks like on this that they have chocolate chips in them. They're these little hard pieces of something, and I don't know, something about a texture. So the middle part is soft, and then these chocolate chips are really, really hard. I couldn't get past the texture, and I also think that the ingredient list is just a little too long. So for the bars, it's gonna be a SLIMFAST Keto Creamer, the Ketogenic Creamer Blend, which is coconut oil, MCT oil, grass-fed butter, and then it does have maltodextrin, silica, and then Himalayan pink salt. Just as easy to add your own MCT oil and your own butter to make bulletproof coffee. So the Keto Creamer is also going to be a pass. The MCT oil is good. If you guys can tell how big this is, I actually really like the size of this. Most MCT oils that I see in the grocery store are a little bit bigger, so this would be great for travel or just throwing in your bag. Ingredients is pure MCT oil from non-GMO coconut oil. So this is good. This one's going to be a thumbs up. Next is going to be these SLIMFAST Keto meal shakes. Vanilla cake batter, fudge brownie batter. I know that I personally work with a lot of people who are just leading busy, full lives. And so the idea of having a shake that you can shake up with water, have it for a snack on the go is really appealing to people. The ingredients: MCT oil blend, protein blend, grass-fed collagen peptides, erythritol, natural flavors, xanthan gum is sweetened with stevia. One of these milkshakes only has 5 net carbs. So if you're at 20, this is gonna take up a big portion of your day. I'm actually gonna shake these 2 up and tell you which one tastes better. Vanilla cake batter, it says to 8 ounces of water, you add 2 scoops out of this. I would say this is a little pricey. There are definitely ways to get your sweet fix in that are a little cheaper if you want to make your own fat bombs. Ooh, because you can see this, the SLIMFAST Keto milkshake container is only about the size of my hand. Not a very big person, and you're adding 2 whole scoops. If I was going to do this every morning for breakfast, this container would not last me very long. I would probably add a lot of ice to this just to make it more filling. I gotta tell you, it smells good. It smells like vanilla cake batter. The flavor's okay. It does taste like vanilla cake batter, but it didn't dissolve that great. And so it's got chunks in it. I personally could not drink this just shaken up with water. I think I would have to with water and ice and make some sort of smoothie. So I might make another video about how to doctor this up because it could be good, but no. It doesn't smell as good as the vanilla cake batter one. It smells just sort of like cocoa powder. All right, let's see. No, I'm gonna pass on that one. The flavor is not as good as the flavor of the vanilla cake batter. No, and it has a strong aftertaste. So that one's gonna be up. Okay, so the last thing is SLIMFAST Keto Fat Bombs, and I have to be honest, this is the one item that I snuck into and tried before I was gonna make this video. It was late at night. I was having one of those moments where I really needed something chocolate, and this was the only thing that would fit my macros in the whole house. And I've almost eaten all of them. I only have 3 left. 14 of these in a box. So they're a little expensive. They're about $1 a piece. But if you like Reese cups, these taste better than original Reese cups. It's something about the coconut oil that's in them. They're super creamy. They're delicious. Once you have had these, you are not even going to be able to touch Russell Stover's. These are the shining star in the SLIMFAST Keto product line, okay? Chocolate, erythritol, cocoa butter, MCT oil blend, peanut butter, erythritol. I mean, you wouldn't want to eat these every day, or maybe you would. And it's definitely not as good as making your own fat bombs, but let's be real. We all have those weeks where we just need something we can grab. These are really, really good, and I give them a thumbs up. But I just have to say, I am glad that these major companies are starting to become more informed about this lifestyle and this high-fat, low-carb keto diet. I have personally experienced so many benefits from transitioning over to this lifestyle, and I've witnessed firsthand how much better people feel when they are able to make that transition from the standard American diet to the keto diet. And so I think that this whole line by a big giant company is a huge step in the right direction for our country's nutrition in general. So I look forward to reviewing and trying more and more new keto products as they come out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications for more videos just like this.